This is Jacob from the Community Library Network, and today we're going to make a mosaic coaster. To make this project, you'll need glass tiles, grout, a base, PVA glue or Mod Podge, a brush, a sponge, a scraper, gloves, a mixing tray, a large bowl or bucket of water, and newspaper or wax paper to protect your work surface. First, coat the base with white glue, wood glue, or Mod Podge as a protective sealant. Remember to get both sides covered. In hindsight, tacky glue is probably not my best option for this step. You might want to try something else yourself. Once the glue is dried, it's time to arrange your tiles. You can use strips of tape or contact paper to help arrange your pattern upside down, or you can just stick your tiles on the way I did, but I suggest putting in a little more effort to get them nicely arranged. While the glue is still wet, you can use your scraper to nudge the tiles into position if you're not quite happy with the way it worked out. Once the glue is set and the tiles are in place, you can mix your grout. Just use a little bit of water at a time until you get a nice mixture that's... Shoot for a consistency between frosting and cake batter. Use your scraper to work the grout in between the tiles. You want to make sure you fill all the spaces in between so there's no gaps. Don't be afraid to mix extra grout from the start. That way you don't have to stop in the middle and make more the way I did. Finally, after you've given the grout a little time to cure, you can wipe away the excess with a damp sponge. Maybe wring it out a little more than I did. Just be gentle so you reveal the surface of the tiles without scrubbing out the grout from in between them. Thanks for watching and have fun creating!